normal. It's nothing like what trick. Maybe you looking at it as a magic, but I'm the one doing it. So I have the power. Now see, you see the stomach? Watch out. This is one bottle.
That's one bottle of water, yes.
I'm gonna drink all this water and refill the bottle with the same water from this thing. You see it going straight back clean, go there. But first of all, I have to wash the bottle. Yeah. So, show you the trick first. Drink all, refill.
So you're going to drink that bottle and refill it?
Of course.
With the same water?
You see it going. Watch it. It's not a magic, it's reality.
Hey. Ah, it's empty, it's empty, it's empty, it's empty. It's really empty.
No, give me half, man. Me drink half. Yeah, send it. Send it, I'll catch it. I'll catch it.
So drink again, drink another one.
Another one.
The waterman. The one and only. So where is all the water which you drank now?
What?
Where is the water?
It's in my stomach.
It's in your stomach?
Of course.
Can you put it out?
Yeah. In here. Hot here.
So you're going to refill the bottle?
See it for yourself.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, like a water tap.
Whoa.
Wow, the bottle is really full.
Yeah. Reality is so magic. Clean
wow.
water. Very clean.
It's almost,
no dirt.
It's really full. All that water was in your stomach. Can you spill out the water? Let's see. Spill that water which you were drinking. Which is, no, the one which is in the bottle. Can you spill it?
How?
Spill it on the floor so everyone can see that is the water which was in your stomach. Yes. Great, 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 great.